Hey beautiful people, in today's video I will show you all possible AI agents, what you can use in n8n, and we will dive deep in use cases and possible scenarios for each of your workflow. So tune in, subscribe for this channel, like this channel straight away so it will get pushed a little bit more in the YouTube algorithms, and let's go. By the way, in my school community called Monetize AI Agent Automations, you can find down below in the link, I have created like a small blog post, and let's use this blog post as our main source of truth. So there are actually right now 6 AI agents that is possible to use in n8n. So first one is tool, second is Conversational Agent, OpenAI Function Agent, Plan and Execute Agent, React Agent, SQL Agent. And let's go over each of those. The easiest way to create AI agents is just create a new workflow and click here AI agent, and it will start with a chat node and you are good to go. The tool agent is one of the most used tools that I use in my day-to-day operations. The general purpose for this agent is to utilize external tools and use capabilities, acts as a base of the agents designed to answer questions and perform tasks by leveraging tools beyond large language model inherent knowledge. So use cases are super simple. You can use this tool for answering questions and requiring to use external information, retrieve some information or do some actions. Also performing tasks beyond LLM limitations. Let's say do the web search, scraping, calculations, interactions with databases, and building workflows that automate tasks required tool interactions. So let's go over how it looks like. This tool agent, you can specify the prompt here, defining here the prompt, or just use the previous node's output. And here you can use any of the right now supported language models. The most common used is DeepSeek, Anthropic I use, and OpenAI. Let's choose OpenAI. You can skip the memory part. You can run without memory also. And in tools, you can use other n8n workflows, HTTP requests, vector databases, and bunch of other integrations. I don't want to go over of them, but literally you can just specify here is your tool stack. So the tools agent is, imagine like some construction worker. He has a lot of tools in the box and he can take the right tool and give you the answer. And cool thing I like a lot is this required a specific output. I use for all of my actually AI agents this one, and I choose structurized output, and I specify how I want to see output, because let's say a year ago when we are starting AI agents, it was so hard sometimes to specify the agent to give specific JSON output, and it started hallucinating and give some random outputs. So this is so cool that it works always, like I would say 99% of time that it gives the right output as I wish. Year ago, we could use ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, Instruct, or something like that. You could instruct them, these AI agents, LLM, but they didn't work. So yes, and overall, this is the most common used AI agent. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is a conversational agent. So the conversational agent is designed for multi-turn conversations, maintains conversations history in memory for context, and responses over multiple interactions. Emphasize dialogue, context, maintains, unlike tools agent, focuses on tool usage. This tool you can use for chatbots, customer service, FAQ, general conversations. You can create assistants, and this you also can use in order to continue have a dialogue. So let's say you have a chat yesterday, you can continue also today or tomorrow with the same chat. So it has all the memory in it. So the ideas how to use it is make interactive storytelling or games. So you can, let's say, create a game or some, let's say, assistant where you can just chat it and it gives you the answers always. And also you can have the memory to have, let's say, meeting summarizations and follow-ups. So you can ask the chat, what follow-ups should I do from previous day? And it goes and search the previous day session IDs and give you the overview who you need, for example, to follow up from yesterday's Zoom call meetings. So overall, all the chat models, memory tools, everything is the same as in previous agent. So let's go to the next one, which is OpenAI Function Agent. And if we go quickly over to this AI agent, you only can use in large language models only OpenAI or Azure OpenAI chat model, and the memory and the tool outputs, everything is pretty much the same. So the OpenAI Function Agent especially leverage OpenAI's functional calling capability, designed for use with OpenAI models. Supporting this feature understands when to call function tools based on user's intent and structurize output to directly match functions parameters. Offers more structured and reliable tool as the basic tool agent, as model is trained for function calls. So this is the best one to use scenarios, integrating with APIs, requiring specific parameters and data and formats, automating tasks involving calling predefined functions. So this would be the best for using, let's say, for calendar scheduling, because in the calendar scheduling, we need to have very specific, accurate prompts to be sent to calendar tool. And in this case, for example, scheduling meeting with John next Tuesday at 3 p.m. about the project updates, the agent calls schedule meeting function with parameters like date, time, and attendees and topics. Let's say a use case is e-commerce order placement. It processes order by extracting product's name, quantities, and shipping addresses from input like order to blue shirt ship to 123 Main Street. The agent uses functions to call order placement API with structured data. So next one is travel booking. Help users book flights, hotels by extracting destination dates and preferences, functions, query travels APIs with structured search parameters and present options to the user. Functions query travel APIs with structured search parameters and present options to the users. So overall, this AI agent is very similar for using, like you use a tool agent, but it only works with OpenAI. I create all my tutorials with Tools Agent because I wanted user can choose whichever language model they prefer, because it depends on every single user use case. Somebody uses Grok, Mistral, and so forth. But if you want to have really accurate one and you are okay with using OpenAI, then OpenAI Function Agent is for you. Okay, let's go to the next one. Plan and Execute Agent. The Plan and Execute Agent has more options on the language models. You can see here we have these one coming on and also Hugging Face. For tools, we had everything the same, and for output tracer also the same. Let's dive into School Community and see what it is. So Plan and Execute Agent, the main differences are: this tool explicitly planning phases break down complex goals into sequential steps before executing. Access scenarios needing multiple step reasoning and actions. Uniquely features a planning phase prior to execution. So use cases as handling complex queries, tasks, unsolvable and single step. Scenarios requiring reasoning and problem decomposition into subtasks. Automating multi-stage workflows. So in just plain English, it would be like, it's literally just like reasoning model. So you can connect any single model you want, but it does the reasoning for you. And cool thing is that for this, you can connect any tool you want, and it goes beyond like Gemini or DeepSeek reasoning, and it can use all of your data, even calculator, whatsoever. So the output takes much longer to execute, but it's more accurate. So the main idea is how to use it. You can use this for research, report generations, complex questions like compare market shares of top 3 European electric car companies last quarter, chart and data, and the agent plans the steps. First thing, he identified these 3 companies. Second, he search market share data. Third thing, he aggregates data. And lastly, generates chart. Then executes using web search and data visualization tool. Next one is like project management task automations for tasks like create product launch, project plan, include market research, development and marketing phase. The agent plans step. First, define project phases. 2, list a phases task. 3, assign timeline. 4, allocate resources in it. Then use project management tools to generate the plan and document. And last one is like troubleshooting and problem solving for complex IT issues, like website down, troubleshoot, how to fix. The agent plans step by step. First thing, plan the server status. 2, review logs. 3, identify error causes. 4, implement fixes. And 5th, test website. Yeah, so this is literally like reasoning model. Let's go to the next agent. So next one is React Agent. Let's see, the React Agent has the same as a previous one, that all the language models, the tool stack is pretty much the same, and it does output parser. For this tool, you also don't have a memory. Let's go over what is the React Agent. So this tool enables more transparent and explainable decision making through its explicit thought, action, observation cycle, allowing a clearer understand the agent's reasoning. So it just shows you the thought process, the tool usage, and everything. Similar that right now does the Gemini 2.0 Flash. And the use cases is situations where understanding the agent's reasoning process is needed. So we need to see the proof how he was thinking, and we just can double check. This is complex problem solving task benefiting from step-by-step thinking, and also debugging, refining agent behavior by examining its process. And the ideas how to use is complex question answering with explanations. This is probably best for my child, because it sometimes asks why the world spins this way, and then you can ask this agent and it will literally show the thought process how he get to this answer. And for questions needed multiple steps of external info, React agents explicitly show reasoning, thought, search current London weather, action, use weather search tool, observation, London weather is sunny, thought, answer question now. This makes the process transparent to the user. Next one is code debugging assistant. Help the debug code by reasoning through the potential issues and using code execution tool and test hypothesis. Thought, error might be in this loop, action, execute code with debugging in loop, observation, variable X, and so forth. And the last one is step-by-step guide generation. Creates guide for complex procedures. The agent reasons thought steps, simulates actions, and present detailed reasoned guides explaining each step. And the last one of the agents is the SQL agent. And let's see what the SQL agent has. It has only two options. First one is use the models. Again, all the models, you can choose whatever you want. And then you need to switch the memory. The memory can be even Postgres and all these options. I look forward that very soon n8n also will introduce a Supabase here. But literally here you can use, let's say, Postgres, Redis, or Zep. This is the best ones. So SQL agent focus capability on interacting with SQL database using a natural language for data retrieval. Specialized for SQL database interactions designed to translate natural language queries in SQL, execute them against a database and return user-friendly results. So this is the best one to use for data retrieval and analyze from SQL database using natural language, building interfaces for non-technical users to query databases, automating databases reporting and data extractions. For example, I need data from yesterday's orders in my e-commerce store that was sent to, let's say, Poland. And it's hard for me to figure out how to do in database, even if I don't understand the schema of the database and so forth. This is the best agent to use for. Let's say create some kind of metabase or business dashboard. Allow business users to ask questions like total Q4 sales of electronics category, and then the agent translates to SQL, executes against the sales database, and displays dashboard results. Another example is database administration tasks. For simple admin tasks, user can ask list of users created last month, and the agent generates SQL to retrieve information from users. Management database, and last one is data validation. So ask the agent to perform a data quality check, find orders with missing shipment addresses, translate to SQL to identify the records. Yep, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I went over all these AI agents that right now n8n supports for you. This video was recorded on end of February 2025. So probably when you watch this video, maybe new agents have been introduced. So please don't be mad in comments that something has changed, but I'm recording this video when I'm recording, and this is the data I have right now. And once again, I highly suggest you to join our Monetize AI Agent Automation school community. We have a lot of classrooms. Let me quickly go over and show you all the classrooms we have. We have for everyone who's just starting out with n8n, who wants to learn about it. We have self-hosting no-code tools. We have also the best tools to use of no-code for your own AI agency. Here we have everything about how to create agents. We have sales automation as a service guide, where you can learn how you can sell your automations, how to get clients with the meta ads, or how you can get clients with cold emails. Also cold email outreach personalization tool set, and also premium AI agents and just regular templates that you can sell to your clients with your agency. So thanks for watching. Consider to leave some comment, and also I see you on Monetize AI Agent Automations. Have a nice one. See you.